नमस्ते एंड वेलकम टू न्यानेश्वरी फोकस एकेडमी। आज के इस वीडियो में हम NSO क्लास 2 2025-26 के सारे क्वेश्चंस के डायरेक्ट आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। टू कीप एवरीथिंग क्लियर एंड कंफ्यूजन फ्री, इस वीडियो में मैंने डिटेल्स एक्सप्लेनेशन स्किप किए। हम इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को टॉपिक वाइज नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीखेंगे। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Question number 1. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all three figures. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी 43. Question number 2. There are dash different possible ways for Vihan to reach the stadium. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 4 ways. Question number 3. Radio is the third. Radio dash is the third to the left of fourth radio from the right end. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी क्यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इफ टॉर्च इज कॉल्ड स्पीकर, स्पीकर इज कॉल्ड चार्जर एंड चार्जर इज कॉल्ड अ क्लॉक, देन डैश इज जनरली यूज्ड टू चार्ज मोबाइल फोन. इसका आंसर है बी क्लॉक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स ऑफ 5 मैच बॉक्स ईच कैन बी फॉर्म्ड from the given match boxes. इसका आंसर है C number 4. Question number 6. Select the odd one out on the basis of edible plant part. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C potato. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is correct? इसका आंसर है B. A horse lives in a stable. Question number 8. Select the correct statement. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. An outdoor game like cricket helps in enhancing the team spirit. Question number 9. I work all day without rest, pumping blood in what I do best. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी heart. Question number 10. Select the option that correctly completes the word in the given statement. The bones in our body form a strong S-E-E-O-, which gives shapes to our body, supports it and protects our vital organs. तो इसमें करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी जो कि बनता है skeleton. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a body building food? The correct answer is option A, bread. Question number 12. Harsh stretches his arm while facing the rising sun. In which direction is his left hand pointing to? The correct answer is option A, north. Question number 13. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct options. Column 1 is igloo, hut, houseboat, pakka house. Column 2 में है bamboo and straw, wood, bricks and cements and ice blocks. The correct answer is option C. That is igloo goes with ice blocks, hut goes with bamboo and straw, houseboat goes with wood and pakka house goes with bricks and cements. Question number 14. Rohan's father's brother and his son came over for dinner at Rohan's house. What is the relation of Rohan with his father's brother's son? The correct answer is option B, cousin brother. Question number 15. Who among the following shows a good posture? This is a very easy question and I think you all can answer this. Correct answer is option A. Question number 16. Rahul needs to cross a busy road but there is no zebra crossing nearby. What should he do to cross the road safely? Correct option is B. Look left, right and then again left and crossed the road only when no vehicles are coming near. Question number 17. Identify the road signs shown in given pictures and select the correct options. The correct option is option B because P image shows steep descent ahead, whereas Q shows slippery road ahead. Question number 18. Which of the following is correct example of food chain? Correct answer is answer A, grass, deer, tiger. This is a confusing question because option D can also look a correct option, but based on a food chain, option A is a correct answer. Question 19. Select the option which on unscrambling gives the name of a protective food. The correct answer is D, apple. Question number 20. Karan is crossing the road with his friends at the zebra crossing and the traffic light is green for pedestrians. Is he following the correct safety rule? The correct answer is C, yes, because zebra light of the traffic signal means it is the safe to cross the road. Question number 21. Aquatic animals can breathe underwater because water contains dissolved air. Question number 22. Strike out where alternate letter starting from the first letter and select the option that gives the name of a landform that has high peak. So the correct option is B, mountain. Question number 23. Payal boils some water in a kettle as shown in the given picture. What happens to water when it is boiled? So the correct answer is option A, water changes into steam. Question number 24. The given diagram shows two types of movements, X and Y of Earth. Identify X and Y and select the correct statement regarding them. Here the correct option is option A. X causes day and night while Y causes change in season. Question number 25. Plant X has bright yellow flowers and produces tiny seeds that gives us oil for cooking. Identify plant X. So the correct answer is sunflower, option A. Question number 26. Read the given statement made by three friends. Tina says, a toy robot is living thing and it can move and make sound. Arav says moon is a living thing and it changes its shape every day. Sia says all man-made things are non-living. So the correct answer is B, Tina and Arav only. The question was who among them an incorrect statement. So the correct option is B, Tina and Arav only. Tina and Arav's statements are incorrect. Question number 27. Sneha's grandmother gave her a sweater. The wool used to make it mostly comes from the hair of which of the following animal? So the correct option is option B, which is sheep. Question number 28. I am a light colored sleeveless dress. I can absorb sweat very well. You like to wear me in. So we usually wear sleeveless light color dress to absorb sweat in summer. So option A, summer. Question number 29. Aisha noticed a nice smell coming from the kitchen. She ran to check what her mom is cooking in the kitchen. Which body part helped her sense the smell? The correct option is answer C, nose. Question number 30. Study the given relationship and select the option that correctly identifies X. So rib cage is to lungs as skull is to. So the correct answer is brain. Option B. Question number 31. From here onwards, the achievers section starts. So every question from 31 to 35 is of 2 marks each. So the question 31 is refer to the given word chop table and select the option that correctly answers the following question. Name of the plant that provides us wood for making furniture. And B is name of the plant that grows along the ground and bears heavy fruits. The correct option is option A. Question number 32. Refer to the given flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, R, and S. Here the correct answer is option C, which goes lion, zebra, duck, and cat. Question number 33. Which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? The correct answer is option C, an internal organ that removes waste from our body as urine. So we do not have this in the grid. Question number 34. Refer to the given diagram and select the option which correctly identifies X and Y. Here the correct option is answer B, rice and pulses. Question number 35. Study the given family tree of Aryan and select the correct statement regarding it. And the correct option here is option B. Roshni is the paternal aunt of Aryan. ये थे NSO क्लास 2 2025-26 के डायरेक्ट आंसर्स। आज की वीडियो का पर्पज़ सिर्फ आपको क्विक रिवीजन देना था। अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में क्वेश्चन नंबर लिख कर बता दीजिए। मैं उस टॉपिक का एक्सप्लेनेशन अलग से डिटेल सेशन में कवर करूँगा। और अगर आपको ओलंपियाड के पास्ट पेपर्स, सैम्पल पेपर्स और प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट्स फ्री में चाहते हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ गूगल फॉर्म फिल कर दीजिए। मैं आपको हमारे फ्री व्हाट्सएप ओलंपियाड कम्युनिटी ग्रुप में ऐड कर दूंगा। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए चैनल को, ताकि नेक्स्ट सेशन आप मिस न करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।